Hey guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can lighten, whiten and brighten your skin complexion using this highly effective and natural face mask. So this face pack is highly effective because it has all the natural ingredients which works really well in skin lightening, whitening and brightening. This face mask also works in treating dark spots, pigmentation, acne scars as well as in removing pimples and acne from your skin. So now let's see what are the ingredients do we need to prepare this highly effective and supernatural face pack. So the first ingredient which we need is licorice powder, which is also known as mulethi powder. After that we are going to need lemon. Then we are going to need papaya paste, and you just need to grind the papaya really well to just make a smooth paste out of it. Then we are going to need vitamin E oil, and if you do not have this oil then you can also use olive oil. And the last ingredient which we need is curd or yogurt. So now let's prepare this face pack, and to prepare this face pack we firstly have to take 2 to 3 teaspoons of this licorice powder or mulethi powder in a clean bowl. And after that we are going to add vitamin E oil into it, and if you're using the olive oil then also you have to use the same quantity, and I'm just adding approx half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil into it. Now after adding the vitamin E oil, now I'm just going to add the papaya paste, and I'm just adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of papaya paste into it. After that I'm just going to squeeze half lemon into it. And now after adding all these ingredients, you just have to mix all of them so that they all combine with each other nicely. And now after just giving a good mix to all these ingredients, now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the curd or the yogurt, and just add enough curd or yogurt to make a smooth and a lump-free paste out of it. Or you can even use milk if you do not have curd. And after adding the curd, just mix all these ingredients really nicely so that they all combine with each other really nicely and makes a smooth and a lump-free paste. And after mixing all these ingredients, your homemade skin whitening, lightening and brightening face pack is ready, and it will look something like this. This paste should be of medium consistency, which is neither so thick and nor so runny, and should be so much smooth and lump free like I'm showing you here. So this homemade face pack is filled with all the natural ingredients which works really well in skin whitening and lightening. Licorice powder or mulethi powder is one of the best ingredients which you can use for skin lightening and whitening. Lemon is also a natural bleaching agent which just removes and fades away all your dark spots and scars. Papaya paste have a skin whitening agent called papain, which really detoxifies your skin from deep inside and just makes your skin even toned. Vitamin E oil and curd and yogurt both have really moisturizing effect, and when all these ingredients combine with each other, they just makes a really beautiful face pack which just works really well in making your skin really fair, glowing, radiant and spotless. So now let me tell you how to use this face pack for best results. So you just need to apply this face pack all over your face and neck, and you can apply this face pack using a brush, or you can even use your fingertips to apply this face pack. And you just need to apply an even and a thick layer of this face pack all over your skin. Now after applying an even and thick layer of this face pack all over your skin, you just need to leave it to dry completely for about 20 or 25 minutes. And once it dried completely, you just need to wash your skin thoroughly with normal water and then pat dry and moisturize your skin. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.